It is chanterelle season in Missouri, and I made a video on how to identify these chanterelles. I also mentioned that I would show you how we eat chanterelles, and that's what this video is all about. I have a little cooking trick that's going to prevent our chanterelles from getting mushy, so be on the lookout for that as we dive into this dish. We're going to be making an orange duck with chanterelles dish, and it's kind of like a stir fry, but it's heavily influenced by Midwestern culture. So don't freak out if you're like, that's not a stir fry. It's probably not, but it's in that category, and it's still delicious. Now, I'm going to be kind of riffing off of this recipe, but I will make sure the official recipe is at the end of this video. We had to thin out some male ducks in our duck flock, and so that's our protein for the dish. And so what we did was go ahead and take a bottle of orange stir-fry sauce and just dump it in with the duck meat and let it marinate for about 24 hours. My guineas want to flex a little bit because in this video, they weren't getting eaten. It was our ducks. I'm going to go ahead and wash off our chanterelles that we found, and I'll also soak them in water, and that helps loosen the debris. So chanterelles have all these little nooks and crannies, and so you want to make sure you get all of it washed so you're not eating dirt for dinner. As a foundation for this dish, we like to add cabbage, carrots, and onions. However, you can add whatever your heart desires. We're going to toss in our duck and get that going. I like to add a couple tablespoons of sesame oil or any cooking oil that you prefer. I like to cook my duck to a medium or medium well so that it doesn't get too tough. I'm going to drain off the sauce or the marinade that I cooked the duck with, and I'm going to keep that in there for our veggies. I'm going to throw in our cabbage, carrots, onions, and peppers. These are our more robust ingredients, and it takes longer for them to cook than it does the mushrooms. So we're going to start cooking these down until the onions start to change into that translucent color. I'm going to go ahead and add my chanterelles. However, I'm not just going to stir them all in. I'm going to set these chanterelles on top. The reason I'm adding the chanterelles on top is because I'm going to steam these suckers and get them nice and soft and tender, but it's not going to get them all slimy and gross because I've overcooked them. So once my chanterelles start to look like they're beginning the wilting process, I'm going to go ahead and mix them into the sauce so they can get some of that tasty marinade, but then I'm going to cut the heat, and then we're going to go ahead and add this to our rice and put the duck in as well, and bon appetit. I personally like to add a little of our homemade hot sauce. However, you can eat this mild, it's totally fine. I can tell you honestly, there were no leftovers, so it was a hit with the family, whether it's through foraging or gardening or husbandry with our ducks. It was a meal well earned, and it was great to see that my kids enjoyed chanterelles almost as much as I do.